Hey guys, back with another video about EquityFeed, a very powerful tool for trading data. Last time we went over market view, news streamer, was in the second video, so I guess we'll move right along here to stock scanner. And I don't use this one as much, not because it's not good, but just because there are so many facets to EquityFeed. Sometimes it's hard to use all of them, and you tend to find ones that you like more or more comfortable with. Before we get into that, I want to talk a little bit more about this, just to be clear that EquityFeed, nor myself, really tells you what to buy or when to buy it or how much to buy. But what it will do is it's a massive amount of data that's streaming, and it's all live streaming, and it's 100% customizable. So that gives you the tools to make your own decisions. Now, moving right along, stock scanner, just want to click on that out of your launch pad. And then these are all a multitude of things you can select. There's some basic filters here: price, simple moving average, volume, ask, bid, trade, spread. So it's all pretty basic. If you scroll down, there's some more in-depth ones. There's a couple here that I like. Tick action in the last 5 minutes, at least 75% of the ticks were upticks. And that's something unique to this program from what I've seen with other things. And then of course you can change that to 90% or 75%, so very customizable even within the actual selections. You have one here that's interesting also: rebound action, pullback action. So you get the idea. There's a lot that you can do just here. And again, that's only one facet of the entire EquityFeed program. Now here's some that I built. Here's one that I used to like a lot: 5 times volume. Sometimes when you see something in the morning that is trading a lot higher than it does usually, maybe it's 2 or 3 times already what the volume would be on a given day, that can be a good indicator that there's momentum there and it's going to keep going beyond what it's already ran. So then you just select that there, run filter results, and here we are, AWX. It ran 40% yesterday. It was up and down. So that's a perfect example. The volume's there, the trades are there. Now again, just like in the news streamer, which we talked about last time, you right click here and you can remove one of these or you can insert more. So for example, you might want to see what the dollar volume is, and that's something unique to EquityFeed as well. You just right click there, scroll over, select dollar volume, it pops it right in for you, and there again I can drag it and move it to where it's comfortable for me, which is really nice. And you can do that with all these, and then just selecting it again, you can actually filter the entire screen based on this dollar volume going in reverse or forwards as far as the amounts. So I guess that's it for this one. I appreciate you guys watching. Again, there's a 10% discount link in the description of the video, and anybody has any questions about this software, feel free to shoot me a line. I've been using it a couple years and I'm still learning exactly the way that I want to have it, and I find that as the markets change, I'm changing things within it that to suit what's happening around me. So very powerful program. Thanks again guys, hope everyone's doing well.